Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix a Roku Ultra stuck on bouncing logo, a boot loop and recovery fix. Fix 1. Power cycle the Roku Ultra. Unplug the Roku Ultra from power. Now wait at least 30 seconds and disconnect the HDMI cable as well. Now plug the power cable back in and reconnect the HDMI cable. Now wait several minutes to see if the device completes startup. Fix 2. Check the power adapter and cable. So use the original Roku power adapter and cable if possible, and plug the adapter directly into a wall outlet instead of a TV USB port or power strip. Next, inspect the cable for damage and try another compatible power cable if available. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the Roku Ultra. Now press and hold the buttons for about 30 to 40 seconds while the device is powered on. Then release the button and allow the Roku to restart, and follow the on-screen setup process once it boot. The fix 4. Remove any micro SD card. So power off the Roku Ultra, then remove the micro SD card if one is installed. Now restart the device and check whether it boots normally. The fix 5. Check your network and router. So restart your modem and router. If possible, connect the Roku Ultra using a Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Then complete setup again after the restart. The fix 6. Try a different HDMI cable or TV port. A display handshake issue can sometimes make it appear the Roku is frozen. So disconnect the HDMI cable, then try a different HDMI port on your TV, and if available, test with another HDMI cable. And the final fix, contact Roku support. So if none of the troubleshooting steps, so you can fix the bouncing logo issue, you can contact the Roku support for additional assistance. First, visit the official Roku support website, then select streaming player and choose your Roku Ultra model. Now browse the troubleshooting articles or use the support search tool. If you still need help, use the available chat or contact us option. Have your Roku model number, serial number and a description of the issue ready before contacting support. So goodbye and thanks for watching.